Now I have to show how to do the evacuation. Evacuation means by avahanam. In all Tantric Puja, we have to do evacuation. Without evacuation, Tantric Puja will not be perfect. Because we have to bring our divine on the place we are going to worship. So, in mostly all evacuation is taking from inside us. From inside. That means by I am taking my Kundalini energy to the out and place on the where I have to worship. Then after the puja, I am taking this energy inside me. For that process, I take the flower and akshadam. Keep flower and akshadam inside hand and keep my hand on near to the Kundalini. Chant Om. That Om means by I am giving the message to my Kundalini. I am going to evacuate you. Next Om means by give the message that you have to move that divine energy along with my hand movement. Next Om means by started to move. Okay, 3 Om from downside. Om, given the message I am going to evacuate. Om, you have to move with my hand movement. Om, you moved. Divine energy is moved. That reached my heart chakra. Up to here, it is a pure divine energy. From here, I am giving the process of divine name. Here I am giving the divine is Ganapati. So I am to chant Ganapati Upachara mantra. Different Devata having different Upachara mantra. Here I have using Ganapati Upachara mantra. Om Gananam Tvam Ganapati Kavamage Kavin Kavinam Mastravasta Vanjashtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspadana Sunnanu Divisida Sadhanam. Then again Om. That means by you have to ready to move Ganapati. Om reached at Ajna Chakra. Here I am, my divine energy is mingled with Mula Mantra. Om Gam Nama, Om Gam Nama, Om Gam Nama. Om reached Sahasrara. From here, Vikneshwara Murti have to be evacuated. Om Vikneshwara Murti Ahacha Ahacha Om Avahyami. Exhale the breath. Now, this divine energy is inside my hand in Akshada. If I am placing here, that means by this divine energy is present on here. If I am placing anywhere where I like. If I am placing on the temple idol, that means by the divine energy temple idol will be energized. Now I am placing this divine energy on here. Now this divine energy is here. The Ganapati divine energy is here. For fixing that energy, we have to do some hand signs. Avahido Bhava, Samstavido Bhava, Sanidho Bhava, Sanidhyam, Guru, Prasida. Now that divine energy is fixed on here with hand sign. This is the full process of evacuation. I am showing once again. Om Gananam Tvam Ganapati Kavamage Kavin Kavinam Mastravasta Vanjashtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspadana Sunnanu Divisida Sadhanam. Om Gam Nama, Om Gam Nama, Om Gam Nama, Om Vikneshwara Murti Ahacha Om Avahyami. Avahido Bhava, Samstavido Bhava, Sanrido Bhava, Sanidhyam, Guru, Prasida. Now showing Prasadam Chuduga, mean by taking blessings from divine. This is the divine. First, I have to salute my divine. Abhivade Ramesha Sharma Nama Ahamasmi Bho. Now my hand is on the feet of my divine. Then keep my left hand like that and take right hand and take one flower from the feet of the divine and smell, mean by that divine blessing I took, and throw this flower back to me. Then again take one flower from the feet of the divine, keep on my head as a blessing. Then again take flowers and all materials from this puja area, puja path, for giving to the all devotees. This is the prasadam for devotees. Then remove my left hand. This is the process prasadam chuduga. Now you have to know about Uddhasanam, mean by escalation. This is the reverse process of evacuation. During evacuation, we take divine energy from inside us and keep on outside and done the puja and energized. After that puja, we have to take this energy back to inside us. During the temple puja, we need to be escalation, Uddhasana, because the divine energy is always present on there. But in the case of temporary area, we have to do escalation. For that process, take flower and akshadam, in two hands. Om. This is the message that to the divine, I am going to escale you. Om. This is the message to the divine that you have to move along with my hand movement. Om. 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 Now divine energy is ready to escape. So we have to chant Upajara mantra of the Devada. Here the Ganapati Upajara mantra I am going to say. Chant. Gananam Tuam Ganapati Avamage Kavin Kavina Mustravastavam Jestarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspadan Srunanyudi Visida Sadhanam. Om 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 Gam Nama Om Gam Nama Om Gam Nama Om Vigneshwara Murti Shramaswa 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 Uddhasayami. And take inside me. Breathe. Here I am taking the inhale. Now the energy is inside me. And throw it away back to me. Now the divine energy is inside me.